Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have the October BoxyCharm Premium Box. If you guys would like to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm Premium Box for the month of October. The next video after this, I'm going to be shooting I also have my BoxyCharm base box as well. So if you guys want to know what I got in that box, then you got to watch my next video, which will be uploaded for the very next day. Alrighty, but for today, you guys are only going to get to see what I got in my premium box. So I'm excited. Before we dig in, as always, I'm just going to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. Hi, welcome. My name is Aisha. I am a fairly new YouTuber on YouTube. I started, I want to say like in March. And I started my channel because I love makeup subscription boxes. Hence why I have so many beauty subscription boxes on my channel. I love makeup, so this channel is going to be for all my beauty lovers who, you know, just want to see new things coming out, anything beauty related. I do collection haul videos, I do makeup hauls. You get a little bit of everything here on my channel. So, if that's something that you're interested in, then I would say consider subscribing to my channel, become a part of my YouTube family. We're growing strong. So very excited and appreciative for everyone who's been subscribing to my new channel. I really appreciate the love and the support. You guys are the best. You guys are the reason why I have this channel. I do this every day for you guys. So thank you for everyone who's been showing love and support. Another way you guys can support me and show me love is giving me a thumbs up for all my videos when I post them. I mean, that's it. And if you do subscribe, just hit the notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. Alrighty, without further ado, let's see what I got in my box. So these boxes are pretty big compared to, this is, like I said, the premium box, and this is what the base box looks like. So it's a, sorry, the box is so big it's covering my face, but it's a substantial size difference. So let's see here. So the BoxyCharm Premium Box is $35. The base box is $25. So I guess they gave me a little sneak peek because there's stuff already on the top. Let me try to hold it so it doesn't fall out. So that was what was already on the top, but let's put it in. Let's see. The stuff is all over the place in this box. Hold on a second. Bear with me. Alrighty, so now this is another sneak peek. Can you guys see? There you go. Alrighty. Let's see what I got in my box. Alrighty, first thing first, this is what the card looks like. I am happy to say that they started doing cards again because they haven't had cards in a while. It says, save the date, enjoy exclusive member-only discounts in our online pop-up. And it says it opens November 10th. I will say if you want to get anything from pop-up, you better be getting it the first 30 minutes when it goes live, because after that, there's peanuts left on the site. So you got to do it early. Alrighty, we do have prices on here as well, so I guess they are listening to everyone's feedback on them not having cards and not having prices because they started doing the cards again. I love all the candy on the card. Is giving you Halloween theme vibe. So love, 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 love the card. And this is what the back looks like as well. Alrighty, so let's see what I got. So the first thing I got here is a Hydrating Toner by Murad. So it looks like so. It says Ultra Hydrating Alcohol-Free Toner instantly balances skin pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatment that follows. So I have lots of finishing sprays, but I do not have a lot of hydration toners in a spray formula. So excited to try this. I actually have I want to say 30 setting sprays because, yeah, I don't know why I have 30 setting sprays from all different types of brands. I did post a video on my channel showing you guys a sneak peek of things in my makeup collection. And the video that I posted that showed you all of my 30 foundation setting sprays. I was going to say powders, but they're sprays. I'll put that video link down below if you guys want to see. I think I showed you guys my setting sprays, my setting powders. Oh, that's why I was thinking of powders. And something else. But I have a massive amount of makeup products you'll see in that video. If you're interested in seeing that video, I'll link it down below. You can watch it after this video. This cost, let's see, $35. So with this one item, I already paid for my box. Alrighty, so the next thing I got is a Laura Gellar 50 Kisses Lip Locking Liquid Color. So this retailed for $21. It says no more air kisses. Our pure pigment formula stays true with soft, shiny color that stays put from morning peck to midnight smooch. Very exciting. Very, very exciting. So I'm guessing this is very long wear. Can't wait to try this. Very pretty, very pretty. Perfect going into December, because December I wear lots of reds. Almost the whole month I wear reds. October, almost a whole month wearing black lipstick, dark cranberries, like winey fall colors, and black lipstick. So I got a palette here. So I'm opening her up to see what she looks like. Alright, this palette is from a brand called Illuminati X Isa, designed by Isabel Bedoya. This palette is giving me too many tongue twisters right now. So sorry if I'm butchering the name of this palette. So huge mirror. And then let me show you the palette. Very pretty. This is what the palette looks like. Very pretty. I love this little sparkle shadow on the bottom called Izzy. Can't wait to try that out. One sparkly shadow. This is what the cover looks like. Which I butchered the name. I'm not even going to try to say the name again. But look at that galaxy look to the box. Very pretty. I'm loving that whole galaxy theme look. So this palette retails for $48. It says Illuminati. I did say that part right. Okay, I said something right. Illuminati Cosmetics has collaborated with Isabel. I won't say her last name because I butchered it. Bedoya. Sorry if I said that wrong. An ultra versatile palette, creating an even glam look or perfect daytime look. The shades range from pastels to bright colors and neutrals. There's a look for every person. So I got my 3 items so far. So far, 2 items, 2 makeup items, 1 skincare item. Alrighty. The next thing I got here says Got to Go Exfoliating Swipies. Foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin. This is the box. And oh, there was no sale on this. That's a bummer. And I just opened it right up, assuming there would be a sale. There was no sale on here. So I got to start using these right away because they're going to pop. The thing with pads is when you get them, these type of any type of little pads you use for your face, you got to use them because they dry up very fast. How much is this item here? So these are $35. So with this price too, it pays for the box because the box, like I said, is $35. Um, it says these single-use exfoliating pads soaked in all-natural solution gets rid of dead skin and hydrates the skin. The well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of all AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skins, refines textures, minimizes appearance of lines, and deeply moisturizes. Excited to try this. So now that's 2 skincare products I got. I do not remember what I chose for this box for some reason. Maybe it was a palette, I'm going to say. Let me look at, I still have 2 more items. Let me see if anything else looks, I think maybe it was this though. So, let me see if I'm going to butcher this now. Kosas, the brand Kosas is a color and light pressed powder blush and highlighter. I think this is what I chose for my choice. You get to choose 1 item each month. I think I did choose this, but I don't know if this is going to be a good shade for me. So I'm probably going to have to give this away. It's hard to tell what the colors are going to look like when you see them online, but this is what the colors look like, where obviously you can see this is a lot lighter than my skin tone. Maybe I don't know. I would have to see, but it's looking a little light. It says an ultra blendable powder blush and highlighter palette in versatile duos of balancing, brightening, foolproof, clean, and skin cushioning formulas. Each duo is available in 2 levels of intensities for color that complement every mood and every skin tone. So I don't know. I'm not sure. The darker shade that's on this side, I may be able to use, but I'm not too sure about the lighter side. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this yet. But this was my choice. It looked a lot darker, I would say, online when I was picking it than in person. Then the next thing I got is a Gellar Essential Lip Enhancer. Oh, by the way, this blush palette was $34. This was, how much was this? $17. Ooh, I love the packaging. Essential Lip Enhancer. This is what it looks like. It says, infused with good for you ingredients, this lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. Very interesting. So as far as makeup, I got, let me take it back out again. 1, 2, 3, 4 makeup items. And I got 2 skincare items. BoxyCharm is learning! Woo-hoo! We want more beauty than skincare. More beauty than skincare. We love skincare and we love beauty, but we have only one face. So if I have 10 moisturizers, I can only use 1 at a time, and your skin needs to use something for 3 months to see if it's actually working. So things like a toner, if I can switch off toners every single day, but I can't switch off my moisturizer every single day because then you're not going to really know what's working. Same thing with this. You can use this switch off with this, with another. So I feel like the subscription boxes, they're getting it. I'm just a small YouTuber, so I'm not saying they're getting it from my channel, but they probably get it from somebody else's and everybody else's who has been complaining that the boxes have been more more skincare. I wish it was more skincare than beauty. But I must say, I always wanted to try this spray, so I'm happy about this. I love anything that gives me a little glow, so I love this. I love eyeshadow palettes, so I love this. I always want to try palettes. I love a red lipstick, so I love that. We could all use a beautiful lip treatment, so I love this. And I picked this, so I can't even say I don't like it. The colors are different. online than in person, but I could maybe make it work. So, in reality, I think I like the whole box. Like, I really do, like the whole box. It's nothing that I would, Premium did good. They did good. I'm very happy. They get a 9 out of 10 because, and it wasn't their fault why they didn't get a 10. I only gave a 9 because this color I'm not that thrilled with. I will put above how much this box costs. Remember, I only paid $35, but this is how much I paid. Look up above. I don't have my phone on me, so I can't tell you the price right now, but I will put it up when I'm editing my video. So that is it. Stay tuned for my next unboxing for the base box. If you want to see if the base box, sometimes a base box is better than a premium box. So I'm excited to find out in just a few seconds. I do normally post 2 videos a day because I have a full-time job and your girl be tired when she comes home and she can't always post a video when she gets home because your girl just want to rest. So this is kind of refreshing because, you know, the next day I can just relax and have this already uploading for the next day. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys loved my video. I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. So stay tuned for that. And that's really about it. I love and appreciate you guys. If you didn't subscribe yet, consider subscribing, become a part of my family. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a video. And don't forget to always thumbs up. It really helps the channel. I'll miss you guys so much, but you know this is not the end because I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!